I'm Jay.
I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. We're going to give you an update right here. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
All right, so we apologize for not getting the video out this past Saturday or a few days ago. We are trying to wrap things up here in Phoenix and get back on the road. We cannot wait to get back on the road. We got our business handled.
We had family in for Easter, so they're gone. Kind of getting things all closed up and wrapped up here.
Yeah. Lisa's sister Cynthia, her husband George, and their youngest son Alex. They have another son named Chris. Chris couldn't make it, and you know, my family could not make it. But we had a nice Easter with George and Cynthia and Alex, and Sonny, Lisa's mom,
And Taylor and Peyton.
Taylor and Peyton. Yeah. Of course, yeah. But anyway, so we're going to be hitting the road here in a few days. Yes, we are, and we're going to get back into that routine. Again, I apologize. We did not want to be sitting here, but it just worked out that way. We're hoping to be moving every week or 2 weeks. Every few days to every 10 days. So we're going to be moving. We're going to be moving and filming and showing you guys anything.
Back to our adventures.
Back to our adventures. Our simple adventures. Today found a screw in the driver's side front tire of Bear, so I took that to see if they could repair it. Couldn't repair it, and so I just got 2 new front tires. So we're going to be hitting the road with 2 new front tires. The back tires are still good. I might need to replace them later in the year, depending on how many miles we put on. But and then also got the oil changed. You got to do that stuff. Bear's 2008, in great shape, low miles, 103,000 miles. But we want a baby Bear. Take care of Bear. What have you been doing?
Doing the grocery shopping, hitting Walmart, hitting the grocery store, trying to get all those last minute errands done and shopping. I find that if I can shop for about a month at a time, about the non-perishable items, works out really good. And during a couple times during the month we have to go back and get some of the fresh produce and stuff. But so I'm just kind of restocking because I hadn't really done that while we were here. So just a restock of everything, and gotta get that laundry done here the next day or two. We're waiting for a couple packages to come in. That's what's kind of, otherwise we'd probably be on the road tomorrow. But we're waiting for 2 packages to come in, which should be here by the end of the week, Saturday at the latest, and then we're going to be going.
A couple of interesting things that we're going to incorporate. We'll show you when we get them, and it's going to be kind of fun. One of them we're going to be able to use around lakes and rivers or whatever.
So where are we going to be heading, in which direction first?
Well, we're going to be headed toward through New Mexico. We aren't 100% sure where we're staying in New Mexico, but we plan on doing at least 1 or 2 stops in Mexico, or New Mexico. So that'll be something new for us. We haven't, other than Cracker Barrels, we haven't stopped in New Mexico. So we're going to head east, stopping in New Mexico.
And that's, I think, about all we have for sure right now.
That's for sure. Yeah.
I mean, we kind of have an idea, but we're not for sure. So you'll have to find out as we go along and do it.
Okay, if you guys have any ideas of something that you might like to see, you want us to film as we're heading back east here, please let us know. Leave it in the comments. Send me a message, whatever. Oh yeah, I wanted to give you guys an update on my stolen bike too. I had such a short amount of time. I planned on getting the serial number off it. I never got the serial number off it, so it's useless to file a police report. Anyway, I did call my homeowner's agent, and if I would have had homeowner's insurance, they would have covered it. But we're not sticks and bricks. I've got RV insurance, but they only cover the RV, not the personal property in the RV. So that sucks. It is what it is. Be sure to stay to the end of this video, because I kind of got a neat little clip that I got from the Dashcam. If you remember the road rage video from when we first got to Phoenix in November. Well, this isn't road rage, but it's a fun, I think it's a fun video from the Dashcam. Okay, yeah. So we're going to be hitting the road here. We're going to get back in our routine, and trying to get a video out there every few days. Now this is going to be Wednesday. It should be Wednesday. This is Tuesday. I should be able to get this edited and uploaded tomorrow, which you guys will see it tomorrow. So I don't want to promise Saturday. Probably won't be Saturday, but a few days. Yeah, maybe next Wednesday.
Yeah, it gives us a chance to get back on the road and get to our destination.
Yeah, the next video, but can't wait. Just itching. Okay, love you guys. We will see you in the next video.
Bye. See you. You should come join us.
Okay, you guys. There's this young man on a motorcycle right here. He just pulled out of here, and he's in the turning lane, ready to merge into going west where I'm going. No brake light, no tail light, no license plate. I figured he was up for something, and it looked like a bike that had probably been laid down a few times. But as I went past him, yeah, he's looking to get in this lane here, and I'm watching him in my driver's side mirror right now, and he pulled it up into a wheelie, and he's going to ride this wheelie all the way till we get to the stoplight, and he's going to pull up next to me. That was cool. I want to get you on my dash cam. And off into the sunset he rides. That was cool. See you guys in a few days.